Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I thought I would switch up the scenery a little bit and film in my bedroom because I am obsessed with my headboard. It is actually from our wedding. My husband built the doors. He put two old doors together, actually made it with some friends the night / morning of our wedding. I think he was up until about 2 o'clock finishing up the doors because he had to sand them and then paint them, and then I don't know if y'all can tell, but they're kind of distressed, so he had to kind of sand it again, and then he put a frame around the doors because they were a picture backdrop at our wedding, and I was so obsessed with them that I wanted him to turn it into our headboard. So he built a frame for our mattress onto like the bottom of the doors, and then he put some plugs in, a regular plug and a couple of USB for our phones and everything, and I just love it so much. And I got it decorated for Christmas. You can't see, but I have like a garland up top that I absolutely love. But anyways, if you didn't already guess, I am showing y'all my Louis Vuitton collection today, and I hope this isn't coming across braggy or anything like that. I actually had a request to do this video, and I love seeing people's designer items. Two of my favorite bloggers, I've talked about them a bunch, Whitney Rife and Emily Gemma. They have a ton of designer shoes and bags, and I love seeing that, and I know a lot of y'all like seeing it too. So I hope that y'all do enjoy this, and I have actually started getting quite the collection, and I'm so excited. I hope to keep adding to it. My husband this is probably his least favorite of things on my wish list, but I do have several items that are pre-loved, so they were hugely discounted, and then I do have some things that we got new from the store or online, but I do have several, so I'm going to go ahead and get started so this video isn't too long. And yes, I do have red lipstick on. I just filmed a reel and TikTok about red lipstick, and I thought that I would just keep it on because it's festive and it's Vlogmas after all, and Christmas is coming up very, very soon. And I don't know if y'all can see my shirt. It is in sync, and it says Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, like their Christmas song. And I am obsessed, and it goes perfect with my lipstick. I actually might wear this to one of my Christmases, but it is actually from one of my friends. Started a online boutique called Steel Threads Boutique, and I will link it down below in the description box. Definitely go and check her out. She has really cute stuff, and she is a boutique in Knoxville, so I love supporting local and supporting my friends, so definitely go check her out. But I'm gonna link a Facebook group that I'm a part of because that is where I got one of my pre-loved items, and it is such a great group. I talked about them actually whenever I did like a review on this tote bag, and I talked about that group, but I'll go ahead and link it again. Almost every single listing has a certificate of authenticity, and they have very detailed pictures. If you want more pictures, they will send you more. You can do an in search of post. Like, I knew exactly what I wanted, so I said, I want this, here's my budget, and then people would send me if they had something exactly like it or if they had something similar to it. And then Fashion File, I have never bought anything from there, but I have a ton of stuff saved, and they have really good prices. I don't know if y'all have heard of the Real. That is, I think, the first one I had heard of, but Fashion File, I've heard a ton of good things about it, and their prices are actually better. So I will link all those places down below in the description box. And then there's another one called Brain Bag Girl, and she actually just launched a website, so I'm excited about that. And this is actually, I got I don't know if you can see it all, but of course I will show y'all. I actually got this duffel bag through her. Everything is guaranteed authentic from her. She sends a little authenticity card, but I think I'm going to start with my first ever Louis. So it is this bag. Once again, I don't have my monitor or anything hooked up, so I'm having to look at like my little flip out viewfinder, so hopefully I stay in focus. But this is the Neverfull MM, and it has the baby pink. I have it stuffed to help keep it shaped. Let me take it out real quick. Okay, so it has the baby pink interior, and then all of the Neverfulls come with a matching little clutch, or wristlet. So I actually use this as my wallet. I keep my cards if I have any cash, and then my keys. And so that way, if I don't want to take my whole purse, I can just grab this out and take it with me, and then it has that little strap so I can hold it like that. So yes, this was my first ever Louis Vuitton bag, and my husband got it for me for my birthday, I think 3 years ago, 2019. So this was my dream bag. Like, I know everybody has this, but this is the one that I wanted the most, and I love it so much. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all my other Neverfull. So this is the one I'm currently using, and it is the MM as well. So you can see the same size, but this is the monogram, and it has, I forget the color, like the name of the color, but it is like the hot pink. I really wish that it came in the baby pink, but pink's my favorite color, so I had to get this pink. And so the monogram also comes in red and beige. So it comes in 3 interior colors. And this also has the matching wristlet that is currently full as well. If you can see, this is full. So I do have 2 items in this bag, so I'll go ahead and show y'all these. Once again, my sweet, sweet husband got me the matching wallet and the cosmetic bag. I think it might be the smaller one. But what I keep in this is just like my dental floss, hand sanitizer, lipstick, eye drops, makeup brush, Tide to Go pen, a little pair of scissors, tweezers, nail clippers, and stuff like that. And then in the wallet, like I said, I do use that wristlet as kind of like my wallet, but I keep like any extra change. And then I also keep like insurance cards and rewards cards, loyalty cards, and stuff like that in here. That way I can keep up with it a little bit better. And then I guess I'll just work my way this way. So the rest is actually going to be, oh, hang on, one more thing. So these tennis shoes, I am obsessed with. So let me get closer because y'all have got to see the details on these shoes. How stinking cute are they? So they have the monogram on the back, and if you can see across the back, it has like the symbols. And y'all, let me get closer. Look at the inside. It is light pink on the bottom, and look, pink leopard print on the sides. Obsessed. And then here you can see the monogram a little bit better. I am in love with these shoes. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous when I wear them since they are white, but I actually have gotten a few marks on them, and a magic eraser takes it right off. But I don't want to not wear them, so I have actually been wearing them quite a bit, but I do not wear them when it rains. So this next little number I love because it is the perfect little crossbody. I actually bought this from a friend. I have talked about her before, mainly during Vlogmas, but my friend Sharon, I call her my manager because she is one of my biggest supporters, and I gave her, like, she asked for a stack of my business cards. She tells everybody about my YouTube channel, and I just love her so much. Anywhere and everywhere, she tells people about my channel and hands out my business cards. And Sharon, if you're watching this, I love you, I miss you, and your support means the world to me. But she knows that I love Louis Vuitton, so she actually sent me a picture of a few things she was thinking about selling, and I was like, ooh, I have been wanting a crossbody. I definitely am interested in that. But this is seriously the perfect size for shopping, going out and about, because I can fit my lip gloss, my keys, my card, any cash, anything like that. So it is perfect. And this strap, you can actually unsnap this and take the strap out and use it as a clutch. Next item, this was actually, I'm pretty sure, my first brand bag girl purchase. It is the Trouse 28, and it is a makeup bag, and it is a really good size. I really like the, it's spelled nice, but I think it might be the Nice. It is like a cube, and the top unzips, but that is like, even used ones is $1,200 for a makeup bag. This one was not $1,200, but it is a really good size. I actually have stuff in it, but it has little stretchy elastics inside, so this is where I put my foundation, and then it has a little pocket on the inside, and that is where I keep my concealer so it doesn't make the rest dirty. But it actually holds quite a bit, and I actually do have, how many times can I say actually? I have a video what's in my makeup bag, so I will link that down below in the description box as well, because I show y'all just how much can fit in here. And then this was the other brand bag girl purchase. So absolutely love this. So this is the Keepall 60. So I'm pretty sure this is the biggest size duffel bag, and I honestly kind of wish I would have waited, because this one did not come with a luggage tag, and it didn't come with the original strap, but she did have a strap that she put with it. It is just not like the leather strap, and I really want a leather strap and a luggage tag. So I asked if I could buy just a luggage tag, and they were like, oh, we can send you one, you know, with your next purchase. I just want to purchase a luggage tag. I don't want to, I mean, there's a bunch of stuff I would want to purchase from her, but I might try and find one like on that Facebook group I was telling y'all about. Such a great size, and now I really, really want the rolling luggage. Now that I have this, I have a tote bag, I really want the rolling suitcase. And the one I want is, I think it's the Pegasus 55. They don't make those anymore. It's, I think the Horizon is the new rolling suitcase, but I actually like the Pegasus better. So that is definitely on my wish list. And then my last Louis Vuitton item is another pre-loved. So this is the Kabus Alto Tote, and there are 3 different sizes: the Piano, Mezzo, and Alto, I think is how it goes. But this is the biggest, and this is the one I wanted. And this is the one that I got in that Facebook group. So for my blog photo shoots, a lot of times I will take different pairs of shoes, different bras with like a strapless, a normal bra, and then different bottoms, like different pants and stuff like that. And this is such a great size. And then I also take this whenever I'm traveling for my shoes. I will also put my computer in here. And I love this one because it has a little pocket that I could keep like lip gloss or pens or something in that. And then it also has a zipper pocket as well, and it is a pretty good sized pocket. And this is what I will keep my computer charger, phone charger, Apple Watch charger in here whenever I'm traveling. I absolutely love it. So if you want a good tote bag, I highly recommend the Kabus Alto. And if you watch my video where I review it, I say it wrong. I say Kabus, but it is Kabus. So I hate to say I highly recommend it because I honestly don't have another Louis tote to compare it to. But for what I wanted it for, it is absolutely perfect. So they actually do not make this style anymore. Now I think it is the all-in. But if you can find a used one, it will be way cheaper than the brand new. And this one is almost in perfect condition. It just has like a few marks on the bottom, and it has like some scratches and a couple watermarks on the edges. But I mean, you can't even tell, and I wasn't worried about it at all. The interior is perfect. The canvas is perfect, and I was most worried about the straps because there were some that I saw that had some cracking, and I mean, this is in almost perfect condition. So definitely check out that Facebook group because people will post stuff for sale all the time. And then, like I said, if you know specifically what you want, you can do a, don't know what my wishes did, you can do a in search of post. Just be sure to put your budget because they want you to, even if you are willing to go like higher or if you want it lower, just be like $500 to $800, and then people will tell you what they have, how much, and share their listing. And yeah, if you have any questions about anything in my collection, or if you have any questions on like how to tell if it's fake, or if you have questions on the resale sites or the Facebook group, please comment, reach out to me. I would love to help you. But yeah, I feel like this video is going to be kind of long, so I am going to go ahead and end today's Vlogmas. If you enjoyed seeing my Louis Vuitton collection, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the rest of Vlogmas. But that is it for today, and I will see y'all tomorrow.